building a landing page that looks official using artificial intelligence that Hostinger provides. You can choose from different templates of what kind of program or in business are you going to be running. All right, it's Sid from Hunter and Chavy Investments. Today we're going to talk about website building and hosting or landing pages for your business. So it could be a lawn care that you own, a hairdressing place. You need a landing page to tell the people out in the world who you are and what kind of service-based product you provide, be it a digital product or a service-based where you actually physically at the place, or even a coaching program or physical therapy or some kind of singing or even instrumental lessons that you can provide. Make sure you use my link below. It helps support this channel. It has no cost to you, no extra cost to you. So go ahead and use that channel link. So we're gonna go ahead and sign up for Hostinger, and I'll walk you through how to sign that up. All right, so here we're at the site hostinger.com. So this is the time of this recording, they have a Black Friday special, but I'm thinking we're probably going to get a better discount with Charlie's discount. Right now it's at $199 first 3 months, so you can do that. But let's sign up here. It's a web hosting platform where you can build websites, WordPress, all the above. Claim our deal. So not a member yet, so you can choose a hosting plan. So you can click here. So the business plan comes at $349 per month, or the premium plan for $199 a month. So these prices are based on yearly amounts. So you're broken down to 12 months. It'll look like this: 85% savings here and 75% savings here. Plus 3 months free. Premium plan and the business plan, so you can see in pink here, or fuchsia, we're going to call it, and that's purple. 100 websites in here, increased performance up to 5 times on the business plan. 100 gigs of solid state stability, solid state storage there, and then about 200 gigs on the business side. Free emails, daily backups, free emails here. Also unlimited SSL. So what SSL stands for is the security layered, where you get that stamp approval, where when you visit a site you have that lock on top of your website. That means it's a secure site and it's been certified. Free domains, so unlimited bandwidth. Free domains also on the business side. WordPress, you can use a basic one, or you can use the templates that are available. So WordPress templates are available here using AI creations. Same goes in drag and drop website builder. Google Analytics integrated into the system for business side. So these are prepaid terms, not divided in installments. So it's the total thing. But if you just split it in 12 months, that's what it will look like. So if you don't like it, just cancel it. So we go here. We're going to add the cart here. We'll create an account using our email. Broken down, it looks like this in 12 months. Like it says a lump sum payment, it comes up to $47.88, and then whose privacy, all that is within that range. You fill out information here. Hello, let's get started. I'm creating it myself. Who are you creating a website for? This website for me or my business. Creating it for someone else. I'm already a website developer, so I am creating it for myself. Click here. Who is creating the website? I'm building it myself here. So what are you creating? Which type of website you want to create? Online store, a blog, a business, a website for local and online business, a portfolio website with showcase creative work, or other than another type. So it is going to be a business website for local and online business. Yes, I am a beginner. Let's create a website, migrate a website. But AI Builder will help us recommend some websites here. We'll select here. Claim a free domain. Get a domain name for your project for free. hcmediaholdings.com. There. I'm going to search, make sure this is available. Domain is available, so hcmediaholdings.com is available, so we can use that. Click continue. So primary details, it's a personal, so it's going to be a company thing, and then we'll put in next step our contact information. All right, let's get started with the AI, using our AI features here. Start creating. Our brand will be HC Media Holdings. It's going to be a website showcase. Yep. Description. Let's create the website. So AI is going to generate a website for me. So it is. Edit our headings, update images, edit graphics, so we can drag and drop all these. Pretty good, right? power mindset. Look at that. And it has my contacts. I'll put in my changes, all that. I'll leave a message so you can submit, and then you can email me. So from the dashboard, you can do is go through, edit your website landing page here. That's what I have here. It's my hcmediaholdings.com. So I can edit my website. I can manage my store. If I want to sell a digital product, sell a service-based service, just as like personal finance coaching, or even personal training coaching, or any kind of thing you want to think of as far as setting up a landing page. Let's say you own a plumbing business or a hair salon. That way you can set up your meetings or any kind of appointments through their store management site, where you can actually set a calendar. That way you can meet your clients at different points here. You can see here the dates that you're available. We're going to go back to dashboard. Go to website manager. And you can go into your website management. So the cool thing about Hostinger, if you haven't signed up already, is you can edit these pictures. So there's an AI generation version of it. You can replace these. So I'll show you what I did here. So I'm going to change my image. So this, you type in what you want it to do. So this is all AI generated using artificial intelligence to generate these individuals on the screen here. These are not real individuals. These are artificially made through AI, or you can use free images from Unsplash. So at the time of this recording, you can use these pictures and videos, mostly pictures, without copyright infringement. So don't quote me on that, but that sort of appears like they have a partnership with Unsplash. So AI driven images can be made here. So one last thing I probably want to show you is the email feature here. We are at the email section. So they do offer email services. So you can click on this and you have the 33% off. You can explore this here. So they have different categories you can sign up for so this is based on a yearly charge. So you can get it for $1.59 per month. If you go pay by the year, you get a savings 47%. And you can go to the Titan version here, you get for $3.99 per month. You can pay by the year. So I don't want to make the video longer than it should. You can Google it. There's different platforms that offer web hosting. One is SiteGround. We happen to choose Hostinger. GoDaddy is not actually a web hosting site. It actually just it's a web sharing technology versus a web hosting where it holds all your data and everything is stored in there with all your information about your business. Hope you like this video. If you like this kind of stuff about personal finance and creating a business on the side, that way it gives you financial freedom, extra income, then go ahead and subscribe to this channel. And I also talk about cost savings by doing stuff yourself, like Hostinger. It's ridiculously cheap at the price they're offering. If you found value in this video, then go ahead and subscribe to this channel. This channel is all about helping you with personal finance by creating a side hustle or some kind of extra income on the side using web building, providing a service-based income or some kind of digital product. Earn income and extra money on the side. And I also talk about cost savings. So this is a cost saver where this is really cheap for a service that they provide using artificial intelligence to build websites using AI technology. All right, I'll see you in the next video.